Best retractable extension cords keep home and office spaces organized, reduce cable clutter, improve safety, and provide convenient, flexible power access. My today's video is about top 5 best retractable extension cords for home and office that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Will's Retractable Extension Cord Reel. This retractable extension cord reel is an excellent solution for keeping workspaces organized while providing dependable power where it is needed most. It's 50-foot 14 AWG/3C heavy-duty cord, rated for 13A, 125V, and 1625W. Easily handles power tools, workshop equipment, garage appliances, and office devices without sacrificing performance. The triple outlet design with a lighted power indicator makes it convenient to power multiple devices, even in dimly lit areas. The Stow PVC cord stands out with impressive resistance to oil, water, UV exposure, ozone, and common workshop chemicals, ensuring long-lasting durability. The automatic retractable mechanism rewinds the cord smoothly without tangles, while the ratcheting lock secures the cable at any desired length for added convenience. Its 180-degree swivel mounting bracket offers flexible wall or ceiling installation, allowing easy access from different angles. For added peace of mind, the built-in 13A circuit breaker protects connected equipment from overloads and short circuits, while UL certification confirms reliable safety and quality for everyday home or professional use. Now our second product is Black Plus Decker Retractable Extension Cord Reel. The Black Plus Decker Retractable Extension Cord Reel is a practical and space-saving power solution for everyday household and office use. Featuring a 20-foot 16 AWG cord, it provides reliable power for small appliances, electronics, DIY tools, and other light-duty equipment while keeping cables organized and out of the way. Its 4 grounded outlets allow multiple devices to be connected simultaneously, making it especially useful in apartments, home offices, workshops, and garages. The smooth rewind mechanism eliminates tangled cords and makes storage quick and effortless after every use. Its compact, lightweight design with a built-in carrying handle adds excellent portability, allowing you to move it wherever extra power is needed. Safety is another strong point, thanks to the integrated circuit breaker that automatically protects connected devices from overloads or excessive current. Rated at 10A, 125V, and 1250W, this EDL-certified extension cord reel delivers dependable performance for everyday tasks. Backed by a 3-year warranty, it offers a durable, convenient, and trustworthy power management solution. Our third product is Tifcofio Outdoor Power Strip with 100-foot extension cord. This multifunctional outdoor timer outlet is an excellent choice for automating outdoor lighting and seasonal decorations while reducing energy consumption. With 8 programmable modes, including on OFF, Dusk to Dawn, and 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8-hour countdown settings, it offers flexible scheduling for Christmas lights, landscape lighting, fountains, and other outdoor devices. Every setting automatically repeats each day, eliminating the need for constant adjustments. The included 2.4 GHz remote control delivers a reliable operating range of up to 100 feet with stronger signal penetration and better resistance to interference than traditional remote systems, making operation effortless from inside your home. Built with individual waterproof outlet covers and a rugged weather-resistant housing, it performs reliably in rain, snow, and freezing temperatures, making it ideal for year-round outdoor use. The built-in photocell sensor intelligently turns lights on at dusk and off at dawn or after your selected timer, helping reduce electricity costs. ETL certification, a 2-year warranty, and responsive customer support further enhance its value and reliability. Now number 4, all-wire 30-feet retractable extension cord reel. This 30-foot retractable extension cord reel is a dependable power solution for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and workshop professionals who value safety, organization, and convenience. Built with a durable 16 AWG/3C Stow cable, It delivers reliable 125V, 10A, and 1250W performance for powering tools, appliances, and equipment in garages, workshops, and outdoor workspaces. Despite its rugged construction, the lightweight design makes it easy to transport wherever power is needed. The smooth auto-retract mechanism prevents tangles and retracts the cord safely, while the adjustable stopper allows you to lock the cable at the perfect working length. Its premium SJTOW jacket resists oil, water, abrasion, and harsh temperatures, ensuring dependable year-round performance indoors and outdoors. The 180-degree swivel mounting bracket provides flexible wall or ceiling installation, keeping work areas organized and cords within easy reach. A built-in 10A circuit breaker with an easy reset button protects against overloads, while the illuminated triple outlet and ETL certification provide added confidence. Overall, this cord reel combines durability, functionality, and safety in one practical package. And our last choice is Tron Travel Power Strip Retractable Extension Cord. This retractable power strip is an excellent combination of portability, convenience, and everyday functionality. Equipped with 3 AC outlets, 2 USB-C ports, and 1 USB-A port, it can charge or power up to 6 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for travel, home offices, hotel rooms, dorms, and bedside tables. The USB ports provide reliable charging for smartphones, tablets, earbuds, and other accessories, while the AC outlets handle laptops and small appliances with ease. Its 5-foot retractable cord stores neatly inside the compact housing, reducing cable clutter and making packing effortless. The ultra-slim 45-degree flat plug fits easily behind furniture without blocking adjacent outlets, helping maximize limited space. Since it does not include surge protection, it fully complies with cruise ship regulations, making it a practical travel companion for frequent cruisers. Constructed from durable UL 94V0 flame-retardant materials, it also features an independent power switch for added convenience and a silicone hanging loop for simple storage. Overall, it delivers reliable power, thoughtful design, and exceptional portability for everyday use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.